Kubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Myntri Lyngba ke Sarkar Jela. Ukon kesang ma haringkat ke Jingïarap lang uba aranik tan Lyngba tangkar. Myntri ketenat PHE Sampat Kumar, IAS Principal Secretary of Health Social Welfare, Kong Sikar Kangor, Deputy Commissioner ke Southwest Khasi Hills District. Hinden ke sengi ke Pratarik, hak Jingïarap lang ke Penlong, hak multipurpose Hall Mawkyrwat ulayo bansan Jingïarap, Marsan Hajar tingka shiki shispa prapsan ngut kibideki dekat jangka producers group Lyngba ke Skhim Prime kumshi benta ban kentiu shushu iki Nongrep bat ya ki Nongri Jingri. Shushu akini ke sengi nak liang ke office jangka DC Mawkyrwat bat ke office jangka BDO kila penlong ya ke interactive program Penyemir jingmut bat ki Asha ki agan wadi ki Myntri Shnong bat ki nang ilam niam hasin Vianney Hall Mawkyrwat nakamta kumdo banya kun persha ya ke kram COVID. Khaduk nak liang Myntri ulayo ban jurip ya ke shispa jingthia Mawkyrwat kabadang penteri syat-syat bat nak liang ba aranik tan Lyngba ubade local MLA ulapan pau ya ka jingsong komen nama Myntri loi I bat saki dia lai ki jongki khmat baka jingtrai kla jandap bat kabadang sa ka di satang ban sanction ni ki pus hakba nak liang atanat badai pe kla de ban pha ka sarkar ulong ru baka jingwan Myntri Mawkyrwat kalong kabadang jingkerman hadu kata nolol ke jingwan bane play jingmut bat ki pat ba nak kamta bane khun yu covid kat kendai nginayo ru banya kran ni ka roi kapar bat ngikmi bakat ba nginay khun ni kini khlam ki kampen roi ru kinom sakut akan ni district hendai nginang yo nak por chakpor
65 Inflammation happened in the chest and the lungs, and before they could even figure out what to do, the person is in ICU and struggling for their life. So people have been dying. So therefore, just because most of us are able to bear it and we get symptoms, does not mean we can take it easy. There are 33 lakh people in our state. The death rate is about 1.5% on an average of about 32%. So that means if 2 lakh, if there are 33 lakh people, and out of them 2% were to die, that's almost 60,000 people in our state would die if everybody were to get COVID. And that is why we cannot afford everybody to get COVID, and that is why we are going for lockdowns. So we may say that only 1,000 people have died. It's not only, it's a large amount. Compared to 66,000, it is still 1,000 only. But that's because we locked down. But can we continue to lock down? We can't. So, to cut the story short, number one, nobody knows exactly how this virus will mutate or behave. So we will have thousands of doubts in our mind. Our father here has asked us many questions about the gap in the vaccination, about antibodies versus virus, about seasonal flu versus COVID, the time gap in the vaccination. I'm sure that this will be clarified by the health department. I don't want to go into all of that because these are all technical things which they are more competent to talk about. But I just want to stress on one thing. No matter what happens in the future with COVID, vaccination is most probably the only way where we will see any chance of normalcy coming back. There is no other way. No other way. If we expect that COVID will just go away, you are mistaken. It will not just go away. We are lucky, yes, it may reduce, and maybe after many years, maybe a year, 2 years, yes, it may go away. But as of now, we just can't say. So the best shot we have is to vaccinate each and every eligible person in the state with 18 plus.
This producer group can be for weavers also. This producer group can be for handloom also. This can be for handicraft also. Any producer group, whatever you produce, it need not be edible items or food products. It could be any producer group. You are eligible to get the support of this particular program that we have, which will be giving 5,000 rupees per member to all the producer group members and groups that will be formed. We target We target to touch about 4 lakh producer groups, members. That means roughly if there is about 10 in each one, 10 to 20, then we are looking at anything between 20,000 to 30,000 groups we are targeting to touch. We will see how things go in the future. But about 4 lakh people are going to be touched by this program, and we are going to spend approximately to the tune of 200 crores for these 4 lakh different individuals who will be part of these producer groups across the state in the next 2 years. We have already distributed maybe close to about 2-3 crores already, maybe more in the last few months, and today also, as I said, 15 groups will be getting. So this program will continue, and we plan to touch, as I said, 4 lakh individuals with this, and we're hopeful that once you receive this, this will be a booster for your group. This will be able to help your group to be able to climb up higher and do things in a much more better way, and give you that basic financial support that you require sometimes, which you don't have. So this is really what the target is. It's at the basic minimum level where, as I said, the farmers individually, they cannot manage on their own. These groups will come together, and we will support them by giving this particular financial.
30,279, and we have total number of several groups, that is 980, and total number of persons who are eligible. Lani Kimalok, but I check, it's 38,072. Like Praja, Yopan. Iran ki community ambulance, ki ambulance ki Balabo, Lyngba ka block, or Kamla ka health department, but I ambulance. We have 105 ambulances, community ambulance, which has been identified in each and every VEC. We also have a block or room helpline number, where everyone can call this number in case of any instances of.
Bagi sukman idan biang mata assistant part hangne ha ke 100-bedded hospital ha ke ba chief minister lawan ban pek biang bat ni menta idan rohane kini official principal secretary jongka health department Dr. Sempat Kumar idan ru join director dingi ba Myntri idan ru madam disi hangne ha ke bangi la sekilang kene jiwan ikujat yang chief minister ha kene ke hospital bagi sultanat bai lai adalah kejong kemat ba na kajing trei hi kala jandep lu sedong barang layok yang perkemau i ba kabasa kedai setang ban yok ban sanction ni ki pos hak bana kedeng juga departmen kala ada propose kala ada pak ke sarkar equality den bolu adalah kejong kemat ba yakini ki percakap equality ba ketukat kering ya kinong jok kai pertai hak ba ke wan pek ya ketukat kardan karok kardan hadin ni ke ba hadin ni ke bana keleng ke sarkar ke wan hak ya engineer panle ka survey kumno bansna ban identify itna de ka kita kejingwan yang siam taski kalong kebasyo dan jikremen hadu kata-kata nalor jong kejingwan yang kendu ban interak perkibeu ban yakun ya kena kelam ka banyak ladon kami ting hangne hapo nativity handai rakat berkata ilayo ban kerani development ka banyak nanti bahkan bagi nang ikun ya kena kelam ki development ro kena sakut kena ke distrik jogi ya ke bangin senang yo na kapos tak gupta